Hello internet, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing out some new products, including Decay's Naked Reloaded. I'm going to be trying it out and creating this look, which there were some trials and tribulations, but we made it through. So if you want to see how I achieved this perfection, then keep watching. And if not, nice to see you for like 2 seconds. Bye. We're here today because of this. It arrived in the mail yesterday and I gotta try it. So let us jump right in and begin. Today we will be doing some priming with Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I need to get my eyebrows on stat because I can't even look at myself. One of my friends posted a bunch of photos from high school and I cannot get over how I didn't have any eyebrows and no one said anything to me. And in addition to not having any eyebrows, I also wear my retainer a lot, which I still stand by that choice. As always, the Hourglass. You'd think I would remember what this was called at this point because I've used it in pretty much every single video. I've been using it for years, in fact. So it is the brow sculpting pencil in soft brown. The thing about not having eyebrows is that whenever I do them, I feel like I draw them slightly different each time. I've recently been rewatching Broad City as well. And I think it was the end of season 2 where Abby talks about her eyebrows being sisters, not twins. And I just really identified with that. If you haven't watched Broad City, a part of me feels bad for you, but at the same time, like super excited, and I wish I was in your position because I would love to watch all of those episodes with fresh eyes for the first time again, because they're that good. That's done. Now we can move on to my eyeballs. I have been watching a lot of Raw Beauty Kristi, and she always does her eyes first, so I'm gonna try that now too. Okay, so I'm also trying Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Painterly from MAC. Really prime this up so we can see what Urban Decay's Naked Reloaded is all about. So here it is. The Naked Reloaded. I have to say, this packaging feels so nice. It's cloth, it has some sort of lotus overlay, like over and over again. Feeling it. I'm gonna go in with Bucked. All right, Bucked, show me what you got. Not sure how I feel yet. I can taste the chips I ate before this. Flavor crumbs right in here. I am going to go in with Retro next, which is this lovely little color right here. Buff that out a little bit. Make that line less harsh. This is with a clean brush. Okay, I am going to try Reputation, which is this gorgeous sort of rose goldy. I'm not even sure. Oh, that is shimmery. Rub. I'm gonna give Barely Baked a little test on here. All right, I feel you. Looks more like a highlighter. Oh, this one's kind of chunky. Yeah, maybe. It's more of like an upper highlight type color. I'm gonna go in with Burn now. I want to do some blending with good old blur up here. Well, I'll take it. End game. Oh. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's like that, and then like that. Uh-oh. Ooh!
Dear God.
Blend it in until your eyes get so muddy you can't even see what you did. Okay, that is passable for now. Okay, Burt's Bees, Vanilla Bean, come to my rescue. This calls for some fake eyelashes. I got a new Tarte pineapple shaped lash curler, so give her a little whirl. Trying out these Kiss looks so natural TM Kiss Tapered End Lash in Shy. I'm gonna withhold judgment because these could be my next favorite lashes, and I will have made fun of them, and that would be sad. Overall, I guess my first impressions of this is I feel like you could do a lot of very beautiful neutral looks with it. I don't know, there's something about these peachy toned colors. It's speaking to me in ways that I'm like, I could see taking this as like the only palette that I take on a trip. I'm pretty pleased. I think they did a beautiful update, and I love that they made the 4 end colors, like 2 on each side, a little bit larger than the rest. And those are definitely 4 colors that you would probably hit pan on first. Like especially this guy and this one. Just dipped into Endgame again. Ooh la la. Okay, you ready for this struggle now? I mean, I don't love it. Far so good. How can 2 eyes look so different? I'm going to try out the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS in Affogato. This weird sponge on a brush my sister got me from the dollar store, I believe. It's not bad. Let us try and do some under eye magique. Go in with Burn right here. I have 2 Charlotte Tilbury eyeliners that I want to try out. The Eye Cheat. We're going for the big eye look. It is so freaking creamy. Do my eyes look bigger? And the second one I'm going in with is the classic eye powder pencil, which I'm gonna go up on top. Also using matte Prep and Prime Fix Plus for the first time. I'm just gonna I do like that smell. I'm going to try out the CC Plus Oil-Free Matte Your Skin Better from IT. And it is light medium. I've used the other stuff before, but it was just the normal formulation. This is the oil-free matte. Oh, here it comes. What I like about these two is that they have SPF in them. I want to pop on a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm trying out a couple other new things today too, because I thought, hey, why not? And one of them is this Tarte blush that has just captivated me in its beautiful peachiness. Of course, it's Amazonian clay, which I assume that embossed in the blush is the Amazon 12-hour blush. I hope I'm not still wearing blush in 12 hours, but I'm here for it. A Club Monaco makeup brush from like when I was in junior high. Ooh, give me some color. I'm hopping in with the CoverGirl True Blend Serving Sculpt palette, and I'm gonna just use the bronzer in it. This is in fair to light skin tone. I fell in love with the eyeshadow Stila by Stila called Kitten years ago, and now they have the nicest highlighter of all time. I am so stoked to use it. I can't even begin to express the excitement that I'm about to feel because I haven't used it yet. Champagne Delight. The last and final steps are lipstick and gloss. Already tried this, and it is Pale Coral from Nude by Nature, and I honestly just can't get enough of it. I think it's gorgeous. Drugstore brand, cruelty-free. I believe they use mostly natural products too. I just think it's such a gorgeous color, and on trend for Pantone's 2019 color of the year, Living Coral. This is Sunset Crush from Too Faced. Smells good. Well, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, start watching Broad City if you haven't already. Toodles!